Did you have a hard time in high school a little bit?
I did. I got bullied a lot, but now the whole entire school would turn the tables on those people.
That's right, they would.
Yeah, especially this one right here.
That's right. But I just feel like I really do. I feel like people's perceptions of Tim changed when they realized he can work at a restaurant. People from high school would come in and see him working there, and they would see him being on Senate, and they'd see him in our mascot. He was the eagle of our high school. So they'd see him running around at assemblies and football games, and they'd see him get up and do things for Senate speeches and different things. They saw him win Homecoming King and Student of the Year. They saw Tim go to college. I mean, I just think it opened up truly. I saw so many walls broken down with so many kids.